Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use some of the smartest AI powered features in Filmora to edit faster, smarter with pro level results. Let's get started. First, if you want to remove a video's background without a green screen, load your clip into the timeline and then here click on the clip and head over to the AI tools tab and choose an AI portrait or AI cutout. Then with a single click, the Filmora will automatically detect and remove the background. And then also, to got the noisy audio, to remove it, there's a noise removal. Select your clip and go to audio, then denoise. Turn on your AI audio denoise feature, and the Filmora will instantly clean up the background noise while keeping your videos clear and great. It's great for vlog, podcasts, and Zoom recordings. Then, if you're creating a montage or music video, you can import your music and video clips. And there's an auto beat sync tool to automatically align your video cuts with the beat of your chosen soundtrack. And also, you can use the AI text to speech and voice changer. Type your script and let the Filmora generate a natural AI voiceover in seconds. Then also, if you are editing along videos, you can use a smart cut or scene detection to automatically split your video into different scenes based on the changes in visual or audios. And take note that these features are only available to the newer version or upgraded version where it's a paid, you need to pay it. So, first, you need to buy the pro version of the Filmora in order to use these features. And these are the 5 powerful Filmora AI tools and make your editing faster, smarter, and way more fun. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.